Oh, hey, Everlaps. Wow, on point. Or almost on point. But yeah, oh, you're early. That's what it's. Oh, if you can't hear me. Hmm.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Hey, man. Uh, if the
Hello, hello,
music,
hello.
if the music is too loud, bro, you can just like turn the volume down all the way by right.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, okay, good, good, good. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
was muted.
I've been
How's it
I've
going?
been I've been good. Like it's just yeah, I've been working like 9 hours until now, right? Like had a bunch of
Wow.
meetings, yeah. So like all yeah, I'm tired,
Yeah,
but I haven't been coding too much today, so I guess like yeah, it's always nice. But how about you? How has life been?
yeah, doing good, doing pretty good, man. Everything like just the same vibes, same mindset, working, every day and like improving. So
Hmm.
yeah, man. And which kind of meetings are you doing this on your project?
Yeah, so the meetings I've been doing, right? Like, so I have team meetings, like one on one. So I had like I had to do one on ones with like each designer in the team, because I'm the one who manages and I'm the one who like in the end like decides the
Oh, okay. So you have designers working.
yeah, we have
I didn't
designers.
know that.
Yeah, we have, like Basic Beast, like right, like it's designed by Willy Blue, my partner. But then we also have like
Yeah.
team designers, like illustrators now on different projects that we are working on. So mainly they have been working like today. They have been working on some stuff like some DAO stuff, like for a DAO launch, and then they have been
Oh,
working on because I'm doing the breeding right now. Like that's the next step after marketplace. So I need like eggs, like the beast eggs, and they have different elements. So I need to like
okay.
I want to make like an egg for each element. So we need to design that right. So we have meeting with our team with that, and then next week we're going to make our game teaser. So that's going to be really exciting. Uh,
Wow.
yeah,
Nice,
yeah,
man. Nice.
I'm so hyped for
And
that. Yeah.
what is like this DAO? It is like uh, it is to this project, or will be a totally different
Yeah,
like
so
DAO.
the DAO is essentially what's going to own Basic Beast, but the DAO is much more than that, than just Basic Beast. So it's going to own also the game as much as it can, hopefully.
Yeah.
It's going to be owned by many, right? There'll be like these DAO governance entities that people can own, and that's how they control the treasury fund. And that treasury fund can be used to fund grants, pay for salaries for developers and designers, to get stuff done. And we'll be like one of the first like DAOs on Flow, right? So that's pretty exciting.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, man,
real
that's
DAOs.
awesome.
Yeah. So I'm pretty hyped with that, but especially the game teaser. That's actually what I'm most like excited about, because I've just been waiting to like finish all the roadmap stuff for Basic Beast, so you can finally
Yeah.
do do something that's something I will play on
Al-
mobile. Yeah.
Almost there, man.
Yeah, yeah,
Almost
yeah.
there.
I'm so like, and having you, that's if a labs like, it means a lot to me that you're like teaching me and helping me how to do these fucking,
Oh
like,
man,
pardon
it's
my French,
to
but like
me.
fucking filters, because they are so like, God, like I have no idea how long it would take me without you.
It is an honor to help this project, man. I really love it. And yeah, I'm holding my basic bits, and I'm waiting the floor price pumps. So yeah, in
Yeah.
the way I will buy some too.
Oh wow. But
Yeah,
yeah,
let's
yeah,
go.
yeah. That is like actually like I never like say that to our community, but of course like a job for me is also how can I make like Basic Beast the collection as valuable, like as valuable as possible, right?
Yeah,
Because I know that's why many of them bought, even if we didn't say anything. That it's we know that people they buy because they hope that one day it'll be something that's worthwhile. So That's really important to me. That's why I'm really psyched for just creating this game
Yeah,
so we can like get to mainstream.
yeah. You are in the way, and everything is open source and is recorded on live. So all these, like, yeah, I love the way that you are doing. Like super open and decentralized. Yeah, man, definitely this is the mindset that I see in a project that will succeed. So yeah, man, I'm sharing and helping the way that I can.
Yeah, thank you, FLFs. It's always nice. Are you still working on like the job that you do, right? Like, or do you have even more projects that you're working on now?
Uh, yeah, man, I have been working with Ozone Metaverse
Yeah.
on the cadence part, and yeah, I'm helping them. And in the meantime, I'm doing some freelance. In the past days, I have been helping the drivers NFT projects that they are launching, and yeah, man, I'm like doing a lot of different stuff every day, but on flow, like right now, these are the main two projects that I'm working.
Yeah, I see. Okay, awesome. Oh yeah, by the way, also today I like had a call with I'm planning to become a guest lecturer, right, in the Danish universities to talk about blockchain and Web3.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and why it matters, and then like hopefully onboard a lot of new like flow developers. Oh, that's what I'm hoping.
Yeah, man. Wow, that's awesome. And later, like, let's talk about it. Like, how was your approach to them, and and what
Mm.
you'll be doing there? Because I have the same plan here in my city.
Yeah,
Like, and yeah, I'll have a meeting with the university administrator
yeah,
in the next month. So yeah, man, I really want to understand how how it is your way and how
mm.
you did it, like,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
what you'll be doing there.
Yeah, definitely. I'll for sure just hit me up and I'll send you all the material I have. I'll keep you updated, like when I have like done the guest lectures, because then I have more material that I can send, right? Because I'll have
Yeah,
presentations and stuff. I also think I will. Hopefully, they'll allow me to do recording. So hopefully, I get to like record. Yeah, like the
yeah. I mean,
talks.
this would be awesome. But will be you doing it in Spanish or in your first language?
Oh yeah, that's a good question. I think I'll do it in
Oh, English. Sorry,
in
not Spanish. English.
yeah, I think I'll do it in English because a lot of them are like international students still. Um, but there might be some classes where I'll do it in Danish, so it might be both actually. But definitely English is like a like very likely like 80% English, and then maybe there'll
Yeah.
also be like Danish talks. But of course,
Okay.
the ones I share would be in English. Like
Yeah, yeah, that's
yeah,
awesome.
yeah,
That's awesome. They will have the opportunity to improve their English too, right?
yeah, sure. But yeah, FLabs. So last time, like when I live coded, I think it was last time or this second last, I actually
Yeah,
wrote down like stuff I needed to do, right? Like how do I sort prices low to high? Because I've done that, right? The only issue is that
yeah,
like right now, like it's because some of them have prices, right? Some of the object has prices, some of the objects don't. So when I sort, I have to sort pri- like price high to low, and it'll show. But if I sort price low to high, right, it'll see the ones that don't have prices, and it will count them as the lowest. So
okay.
so I know that you know how to do filters quite well. Um, so yeah, I would really like like to ask for your help regarding how can I make sure that if it's null or I guess zero, um,
Okay.
yeah, they should be I don't know be rated as higher. I think we could do that workaround, like because here
Okay.
it's fine as you see, right? And here we have the ones without prices. Um, but the problem is like
Yeah,
yeah, here
the
like
problem
now
is
it's
this
going
one, right? Yeah.
yeah, and I also have the function. Not this one. Let me find it. It's like a front end. Like let's search for low, high, beast market. Yeah, I think it's beast market. And then if you go to price low to high, I think I basically just need to change this somehow, like the sorting algorithm about like
Yeah, man, I think so as well. Like, mm, because yeah, I think that we can add some rules there.
yeah
If the price is low, we just like put in the end of the array.
yeah
Uh, yeah, I think that you can search the search function, JavaScript search function, and you can see like uh, what this function can receive.
like the search the sort function like this
Yeah, and you can put JavaScript there. Yeah.
or a TypeScript.
Yeah. No. No. But yeah. Okay.
Oh
Because it will be the same then. JavaScript. So
oh yeah.
you can.
I'll also just share this so you have like access in case you need to
Okay.
do something. For labs and hey White Falcon, welcome. um, let's see what you're saying. Oh, I'm learning how to code. Come. Yeah, I hate this type
Okay.
of documentation. Like it's oh gosh.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you prefer like Stack Overflow, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Much more faster.
That's so true.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to the day I can just ask Chat GPT like how do I code this, and it'll just send the code. That'll be awesome.
Yeah, man. I think that you can try. And probably he'll send to you the solution.
Really?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
just the way.
but this is a very like specific like problem. I don't think it's ready for this kind because I don't.
Oh, you don't think so?
Well, I don't know. Maybe if I'm really good at prompting, but I don't
Yeah,
know.
let's try. Let's try
Okay,
it.
okay,
Let's
okay.
try it.
We'll try. Let's try.
Yeah, it will be nice.
Let's see. So the only problem. Let's see. How can I show
So,
this?
are you in the ChatGPT already? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, you are
Yeah,
putting
I'm here.
so everyone see it. Cool.
Yeah. So what does it say? What could you ask? How
Yeah, man.
to?
I think that the first step is to say hi, right? Hi.
No, 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 no. Right in TypeScript.
Uh,
What the heck? What? Okay.
Come on, man. Be a nice guy. Say
Okay,
hi to
okay,
him.
okay. Hi.
Hi. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So I think that what I will say is that you have to say to him your problem. So say to him that you have an array that you have some objects and you want to sort them by a field inside of the object that it is a price,
Yeah.
and giving an object right in JavaScript that contains a field price. Uh, yeah, I want to sort them uh, from lowest to high.
Sort from lowest to high. Uh,
And if
and if
price is null,
is no zero.
send to the end of the array. Maybe, yeah.
Array. Let's try this.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the first time I'm doing that. Oh, is it actually doing that? Oh my god. Oh, sort of fast. Actually,
Yeah,
whoa, whoa.
yeah, man. I'm liking it.
Oh
Okay.
gosh. Really? And then else price. Oh my god. It's actually doing it. I think this might be right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so crazy. That's nuts. And are they even?
Yeah, man. Look at the example. Okay.
Okay, so you have price there, and it's going to be price. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, that's so nuts! Oh my
Yeah.
god, the collapse! Ah! Ah!
Yeah, man. Look at this, bro.
Oh my god! You just gave me all the
And
energy back. Whoa!
man,
I was so
he
tired
doesn't
today.
stop it.
Oh god, that's sick. Wait, are they? What is this? You can use filter method to separate the items with, and then okay, you can also use that. Yeah, but this is good. This is I can we can use this. Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa,
Yeah.
what the heck? Okay, okay, let's go, let's go. So beasts, and of course we just Annie, and Annie is like
Of course.
yeah,
Yeah.
the LinkedIn. I think this works actually. Oh, that's so hype. Oh my god. Oh god, you're a genius, man.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Who needs this? Yeah, who needs Google? Yes,
Yeah.
Google.
Yeah, who needs
Okay,
it?
okay. So if oh my god. Oh gosh. So if this works, wait.
Yeah,
Did,
try to reload the page. Yeah.
okay.
There you go.
Oh my god, it works! It works!
Okay. Let's go.
Oh, let's go, bro. Let's go. Oh my god, we can teach people now like how to code, like using. actually,
Yeah.
actually, that could be a course because there's so much hype with ChatGPT. So you can basically get a lot of viewers. Like how I coded this application with only ChatGPT, right? That's
Yeah.
nuts. That's absolutely nuts.
Man,
So
I think that you should take this piece from the video and publish on Twitter
yeah,
and let everyone know like
yeah,
what
this
they're
is
missing,
that's
not watching the lives.
yeah, that's absolutely nuts. So
Oh,
So essentially, Sweet, you're asking what's happening. So I had this problem, right? Like the problem was that every time I sorted the price, it would count like it would just say that all these prices, well, this is the lowest. Like, um, so it would ignore the price. Like it would put all these prices to the back, but I wanted them to be shown, right? I wanted all the ones that didn't have a price to be shown afterwards. So the question was like, how do I code that? Like I'm not that smart. I don't know how the functions work. I just use Stack Overflow. But then like FR Labs, like I talked about, one day I'll just ask like the ChatGPT when it's good enough, and the FR Labs he's like, oh, it's good enough. You just you just like ask the right thing, and like FR Labs basically like told me what to write, and it actually came out with the exact code that we needed to do this. So that just hyped me out so much because it's like it wasn't that simple, but it's just like how do you explain it so ChatGPT can understand it and then like come with come with the right solution to it, and it's just like mind blowing to know that it can actually do that code, and like it's pretty well written. Like
yeah.
yeah,
And the other examples, like if you scroll down,
yeah,
I
yeah.
think that it's more a cleaner code, right? Uh, yeah, I mean, I think that I don't know, need to test, but this is more a cleaner code, right? The last one.
Yeah,
If you use the filter function.
um, sorry.
Oh no. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Forget what I said. Like definitely what you did. It's super cool and cleaner
Yeah.
because on this example, I think that he's saying to you split into different filters and then like put the two different filters in just one array. But yeah,
Yeah. But yeah,
Okay.
this is really
Yeah. So
good.
first problem solved.
Yeah,
Let's go.
that's a good start, and that's like, yeah, I wanna continue doing this. I wanna try. So we actually, yeah, first problem solved by FR Labs and ChatGPT, and so now the question is like, how do I filter with buy now only? So it's kind of similar to favorites, right? Like this, right? The only issue is that favorites right now it doesn't work with everything else, right? Like if I do this, it doesn't work with the favorites, right? Like favorites are favorites, so you know,
Okay.
yeah. So I guess this problem and this problem, like show beast only, they're basically the same. They're not difficult to do for me to just filter that like isolated. But what becomes difficult is like how do we combine favorite filters with the rest? I don't think we can use. I I highly doubt that we can use ChatGPT for this one. um,
No, no doubt,
yeah,
please.
yeah, yeah. Because we would need to give it so much background information. You know how our filters are. Like there's so much. There's so much. Um,
Okay, but okay, you want to combine the Dex number with favorite? Yeah.
yeah, like so. I thought, okay, I think we're able to sort right by. Yeah, we're able to sort. That's fine. But
Okay.
like, what if you have your favorites right and you want to do Dex numbers? But I guess maybe we don't want to do that because then because the Dex number are more like it doesn't filter, it actually expands, right? We're a little bit different than OpenSea and the normal marketplaces.
Yeah.
We
Okay. Yeah. You are using like the and rule and not the or rule, right?
yeah,
Because
yeah,
if if it's and, we will show both, right?
hmm,
Uh, you know what I mean? Like if you are selecting two filters,
yeah,
like you are searching for both of them, right? But
right.
if you are this is the end rule. Uh, yeah, I don't know. One question that I have is why you select favorite there and are just showing two, but when you select one dex number, all the all the beasts that are showing has the star.
Well, so
Like they,
when I
oh,
take,
okay,
yeah,
sorry, the star it is not favorite, right? It's the heart.
yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay, okay,
So
okay,
that's the
okay.
problem. But now when I realize this, maybe we should keep it as this because we do want these filters to be expandable, right? It's not like a filter per se. It's more like it expands your search.
Yeah,
And somehow, unless you don't choose anything, right? Um, so it's a little bit
yeah.
tricky.
Man. I
Um,
think that makes sense to keep this way because, like, if it is favorite, like, don't make any sense
yeah, yeah,
to me. Like, you have favorites that, let's say, are of the same kind, maybe,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
maybe
Right.
we could have, but not a lot.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, let's keep like on second thought, let's keep it as this, and I'll just add like separately, just like with the favorites. I'll add buy now only, like the ones that otherwise people can just like if they want buy now they can just sort by price. So that fixes it now because we
Yeah.
have this, which oh my god, it's wow, whoa, yeah, that's uh, that's awesome. Um, Besides that, well then yeah, the beast that you own, right? I'll just isolate that as well, and you can still sort and you can like search like the serial number. So I think that's good. I think we're good to go with that. Um, so these I'll basically I'll just do them like a little bit later. That's fine. I know how to do them. Then I have
Okay.
um, since this was much faster than I thought. There is of course this is a problem though. I want to add recently listed like a sorting option for that because a community member asked for it. The only
Okay.
problem is that that works in a database. I can see that, right? Or if the cell collection, like if each beast was a cell collection, where it was like, a sale listing. If each listing was a resource, I could just look at the resource ID and say, okay, this is the oldest one, this is the youngest, right?
Yeah.
The problem is that these are not like the way. Do you know how the new NBA Top Shot Marketplace contract is? Like how it works? Have you read?
No, the new one, not yet.
Okay, okay. So the new one basically, like, since this is a copy of it, basically, it kind of works
Okay.
like this, where you have a sale collection. When you list a beast for sale, right, like this function,
Yeah.
you're essentially just saying, okay, this token ID at a price, and that's it. Then you have created the sale, right? So you haven't created any resources, like, so we can't say,
Okay.
well, in this list of prices, which one came first, right? Like, we don't know that. The only way we can know is by listening to the events, and I don't have an
Yeah.
event listener, and I don't want to
Yeah.
change my contract also because it's basically kind of audited by Dapper,
Yeah.
like it's copied
Yeah.
on Dapper, so we want to be careful with that. I don't know. Do you have any solution other than events, like to like just out of like if you were to get do a guess or something like that, like how we could show the
Yeah.
recently
I
listed?
see it.
Any?
So you are the only one that it is calling the transaction to list, or the user can do it
This.
by
Oh
himself.
yeah. So the this like cell collection is owned by each user, each account. So they are calling this
Okay.
themselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um, because
Oh, maybe I could make a special smart contract that could just tell me, that could just
yeah,
every
you
time.
could do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one solution. Another one, it is like, let's say that you want the last 10, right?
Mm.
The last 10 listed. You could save it on your front end, and like always like keep an array of 10 elements inside of it
Okay.
that has this data about the last listing.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, when like you have 10, the next one will be the newest, and like the first one, like no, the last in the array will just like be deleted,
Okay.
and you keep like updating this array. The problem with that it is that you can't. I will not say to you save a lot inside of this array, a lot of listings, let's say a lot of data.
Yeah.
But if you save like 20, 30, or even 800, I think that will not be a problem at all on your performance.
Okay. But do I save it in the cookies or where do I save this?
Yeah, man, I think just like has a state,
Okay.
inside a state in your code, like in your marketplace page, create a new state there that will be like last listings. And when someone is creating the listing, you have the data, right? Because like you are calling the transaction to the user. So you just save this data and update the array, wait for the transaction to finish, and okay, the transaction it is fine. It is, that it is live. You just get this data and put inside of this state.
Huh.
I don't know if this makes
I don't
sense.
I actually don't, because I'm not the one who's calling the transaction. It's the user.
Yeah, but the user is calling it inside of your application, right?
Right. So the way they do it, just to like, essentially they're just. Let me see. Does it show now? Won't wait. Oh yes, this one I own, right? Oh, it's even called
Yeah.
FR Labs. That's funny.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
What?
yeah, yeah. I nicknamed it like nicknamed it after you. Um,
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's nice.
so let me just delist this. So what you're saying is that as soon as the user, oh yeah, that's another problem, right? Like, oh no, it's not a big problem, I guess, but it's just like it, it reloads it refetches everything right now. So like
Okay.
but it's also because this one is like a quick listing. From wait, so now my sorting does okay. Now my sorting okay. Now it works. Anyways, normally people would go to the product page, and from there they should be listing it and delisting and shit, stuff like
Yeah.
that. But this
Okay.
but this is just like quick listing. So so this is done by the user, right? Like
Yeah.
um,
So when the user clicks list,
yeah.
you save like the data that you are sending the transaction.
Okay, where do I save this? In the state?
Why?
No, no,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Creating a object that and you have inside of the state an array of objects,
okay,
and each object will be the listing. You know,
okay. Oh,
and you
interesting.
could have a timestamp there as well. So yeah,
But how do I make each user, share this state? Like,
because they state it is inside your code, so everyone will see it,
you can
right?
do that? Really?
Uh,
Okay.
Yeah, man, like they state that you do your code, like everyone is seeing it, right? For
Well,
example, a use state inside your marketplace.
yeah, yeah,
You just your marketplace page. Yeah, just create a new one. Yeah, right there you have all this.
yeah,
Create a new one with the data.
yeah.
The difference here it is this way of doing it is that you are not like querying the data from the blockchain. You are hoping that it is there, right?
Yeah.
So you need to check if the transaction was good, and if the transaction was sealed, then you save it in your state, and you know that the listing was created. Uh, I think that to be more specific, you can open the code uh, right there, yeah, and just create a new state there.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Const um, recently listed. Yeah.
Yeah,
Said recently listed. You state um, an
okay,
array.
right there you can put an array, empty array. Okay, so on one line on top of this one,
Okay.
you can do type. Yeah, so you can do a space, and you can do like recent listed with R uppercase.
Oh, by the way, do you have? Okay, can you join the live share? I think it's easier for you to
Oh,
just join.
okay. Yeah,
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 then
yeah.
I'll
Okay.
just look.
So you share it with me.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'll jump there. Let's do it using the TypeScript in the right way. Hold on.
Oh, just a moment. I'll be right back. Like a friend, she came with a Sunday ice cream for me.
Oh, okay.
Just a moment. What's ice cream? Okay, I'm back with Sunday ice cream because it's Friday, right?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, for me, it's not making any sense when you told that it was Sunday ice cream, but okay.
um, so, could you get in?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Oh, really? It's wait. Can you try and go out and go in again?
Okay. Hold on.
Strange.
Now it works. Okay, there you go. Now it's open.
Why is nothing happening? I can't see any request. Wait, let me make a new link. I'll sorry. It might be a little bit.
Okay.
Um, why am I strange? Okay, I'll share it here again and try this link now. Let's see if
Okay.
it works. Hmm. Are you in? Or are you?
Not yet.
Okay.
I'm like reloading my VS Code
Okay.
because I got an error there, so I'm just closing everything. Okay, there you go. It's loading.
Okay. Okay. Oh, nice, nice. You're in. Awesome. And
Okay, so
you should probably
my
stop.
idea.
You should probably stop following me because otherwise, I might like move you.
Oh, okay. Hold on. How do I stop following you? I don't
It
remember.
says like you right click my name on the participants and then like unfollow or something like that. Like something like yeah,
Okay, there
like
you
that exactly. Awesome. Oh my god, this is the best Friday ever. Like eating
go.
sunrise ice cream like in
uh,
ChatGPT and you.
yeah. So yeah, man, like, what do you want inside your recent listed object?
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't know, like price,
Um.
right?
Yeah. That's. I think isn't that
What
or
else?
are you asking for the whole like object of a beast?
No, I'm asking like because you want you. Oh, okay. You want to filter just like
I want to
the
sort.
the beats
I want to sort the beast. Um.
that were listed, right? The last ones.
Yeah, yeah, the last one
Okay.
that has been listed. So I actually
So
don't
we
really
just
care
need
about
the
the
beast,
object that much.
beast ID here. That's it.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
guess too. So yeah, we don't need this type here. We can just have here a number.
Hmm.
That will be the beast ID, right?
Right.
And uh, yeah, my idea is that when the user clicks there to list, you will save like his his ID here, inside of this array. So okay, the ID 122 was listed. Okay,
Hmm.
so right now the other user is like listing another. So you just will do a set listed, and you will get the new array, right? So yeah, I think that maybe we need to do a shift, if I remember correctly, because if we get an array and do a push, we are sending this number to the end of the array, right?
Yeah, yeah, probably. Yeah.
But I think that we need to send in the beginning of the array. So yeah, the first the first it in the array will be the ID that was listed recently, you know.
Hmm.
So yeah, this could be one solution.
But I'm just thinking, how do we share this state to every user? Because
Uh,
the problem is that,
but
like,
for example, this state here is not being shared by our users.
no, it's just like our front end, right? So it's like it changes, like it starts with being empty all the time, um, for each session. So this is like, just like all these states are only for this user, like for me right now, when I'm on the website, and everyone else, if you use it as well, right? You have your own empty states.
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. I think that I'm getting what you mean.
Yeah, so I'm like wondering,
Like,
well, I don't have a database to save this. I don't want a database to save this.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, you are correct with the state. It is on the browser, right?
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not shared.
yeah.
Yeah. Uh,
So
okay.
the only thing I could think of is
So
like
yeah,
having a
this
smart
one.
contract that, where the user just like in the transaction say that, hey, this
Yeah,
is the latest one, and then I could sort by that. But that means that I need to make a smart contract, and that's like just for the recently listed. Um, it's actually good that I talked with you about it, because now I know there is a solution without using events, and without a database.
yeah, man.
Um,
I think that it is a nice one too.
yeah,
And like on this contract, you can create like a dictionary, I don't know.
yeah,
And later, when you have more demands, you can keep like increasing it with
mm,
other fields that will
yeah,
be needed, you know.
yeah.
Just update the contract and do it.
Mm, I'll put this on the to do, because it's not, a necessity. Like it's not like the end of the world if it's not there. I have to go for MVP because we have a game to make and a DAO to launch. But I was just curious,
Yeah,
like what you thought. Um, yeah. Uh,
yeah, man. I was thinking, did you remember our past, on the past live that I was in online and Andrea was there too?
okay.
And I asked him something like that.
Oh, you did. Oh, I
Like,
can. Yeah, I do remember you asked him something, but I can't remember exactly what it was. The problem.
yeah, I asked him what he thinks about saving a bunch of transaction IDs inside the contract
Oh, yeah.
to not use it like a to not use a database, you know, and
Mm.
just like because if you save the transaction IDs, we will have
Yeah.
all the events,
Mm.
and you could query it using FCL or CLI. But yeah, like
What?
my idea, my question was like, if we save a bunch, you know, all the transaction IDs, like regarding a marketplace, but we have this, and later after talk with him, because he told that the issue it is with uh, scripts and transaction gas limit.
Mm.
With the time we could reach it, the gas limit, and I was looking there, and it seems that if a dictionary has 40K fields,
Mm.
we will not be able to query anymore, you know,
Oh, wow.
because yeah, the gas limit, we just will receive gas limit, and that's it. We can like see what this dictionary has inside of it.
Oh, wow. Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
So yeah, but
That makes me think a lot. 40K, really? Just but because I'm like,
forty
if
thousand, yeah, I mean it's a lot, right?
yeah, well, look at this. Like, I have this list of sellers in an array. Does that count? Like 40,000 addresses? Would that like be the limit?
Yeah,
That can't be true actually, because otherwise, how would floats work?
yeah. So he told this example that if a float it's super like super hyped and with a lot of users, we will not be able to burn it.
Huh.
You'll not be
Oh,
able
oh yeah.
to burn it.
Mm, yeah. Mm,
But you can access the float because it is inside your wallet, right?
um, sorry, what
I
were you saying?
I did I oh yeah I didn't get like your question on floats.
Mm, well, my question right now is just like I have this list of sellers. I was just wondering, like, oh, my question with floats was, well, they do have like a whole list of users who owns the float more than 40,000, but isn't that like saved in like in an array somehow? But I'm not sure like how floats work actually.
Yeah, I'm not sure too. I remember that he talked on this scenario that users could not be able to burn it.
Hmm.
I think.
Hmm.
Uh, but yeah, man, like this is the limit. I don't know the array limit because in your case there it is an array.
Yeah.
I know that dictionaries are 40K, but yeah, we need to sometime test it, you know.
Yeah, because I have this
Start.
like, and I have this dictionary right inside another
Yeah,
dictionary. How about that? So it's like
yeah,
it's like an address,
yeah,
royalties earned like for each beast, and like and how much it is. Like it's that can be but I don't know. Like I'm not even sure if I use this yet. I could of course like just look at the events and read the blockchain, but then I need to save all that data in a database or something like that. This was just like my,
yeah.
scrappy way to work around it.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's like 40K, in my opinion, is a lot of data.
Yeah.
To one dictionary, you just need to be sure that in the future, if you see that this dictionary is growing a lot,
Mm.
create a new one, and maybe change your code to add to this new one.
Yeah, that could be a good
Because
way.
yeah, I tested and we are able to create new dictionaries in a contract and
Mm.
update it dictionary functions. So yeah, this it is a solution.
Yeah, that's
This
definitely
case,
that's actually like a very elegant way to do it. Like if you just do it like that. Nice.
yeah, man, you can keep everything on chain.
Yeah,
Let's
exactly.
go.
And
Fuck the
float is pretty
database,
cheap,
right?
so awesome.
Let's just do FCL and all that. I love these solutions,
Yeah,
of not like doing anything with database.
yeah, exactly.
Uh,
Because the thing is, then it's going to live forever on the blockchain. That's like that's
yeah,
pretty dope, and everyone can just
yeah,
access it.
exactly, man, exactly. But yeah, I think that you are safe because 4K it's a lot,
Yeah.
and yeah, but need to need to keep that on mind, right?
Hmm. Okay, cool. So that's now I know I'm able to do that. I'll just wait with it. So yeah, I'll keep it red. Um, and then this one we found out we keep it like this. This is such an annoying problem. I have no idea how to solve this. On my iPhone, like on
Okay.
mobile, right?
Yeah.
Like I can't. I don't know why, but I just can't fix it. Like I can't type on the iPhone. Like I can't like do anything. Um,
Yeah, I know, I know. I tested on my end and had the same problem. I remember this problem.
yeah,
Uh, it is basic beasts dot
yeah.
the website.
Basicbeast.io. Yeah,
Oh, okay,
basicbeast.io.
okay.
Um, do we are we able to get a dot? Wait, wait a second. Are we able to get basicbeast.com? I haven't checked. Uh, why didn't
Yeah, maybe.
no one search for basicbeast.com? I'm kidding. Basicbeast.com, is that possible to buy? So right now it's you can buy it for just $3,000.
What? 3,000?
That's actually not too bad. Anyone who has 3,000?
Yeah. You can like you can swap for packets, right?
Uh, oh gosh, I don't know. Like, maybe one day. I don't know. Like, it's
Man, IO it's cool, IO it's super
yeah.
cool.
iOS in that's the Web3 thing.
Yeah,
Fuck.com. I'm kidding. Okay.
yeah. It's like they will die with this domain.
Yeah. I wonder how much Flowers actually paid. I think they Flowers actually ended up paying for .com. I think.
Yeah, man, for sure they pay it, and they paid a lot.
Yeah. It's like, whoa, guys, whoa. I gotta ask James on this how much they paid.
Oh, you mean Flowverse? No, I'm
Oh, Flow, yeah,
Flow.
Flow.com. Flow.com.
Yeah,
That's like,
yeah.
yeah,
This one was super expensive for sure.
yeah. Um, oh gosh, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I gotta ask actually. I'm actually really curious. I gotta ask like Luke, like Dumbo, yeah, how much?
Yeah.
If he knows the number. Oh yeah, I also need to make this
So
responsive. Gosh, yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, yeah. Sorry.
yeah. So man, you should search for adding your project PWWA. And yeah, man, I am studying this
Hmm?
awesome PWA.
Oh, progressive web app.
Yes, man. Yes, I'm searching it, and yeah, I mean, this is the way.
I actually did that like in school, like when I was doing the computer science, which I never attended.
Okay.
I actually wrote a paper about progressive web apps and how it's going to be the future.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, this is super nice, and like let me because I'm seeing some projects on Flow doing this too,
Yeah.
using it because I don't know this year the goal is mobile too, right?
Hmm.
And they are using it. And yeah, I mean, definitely you can add this a library in your code
Yeah.
because you are using X, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, definitely would be a
Hmm.
nice feature to add. But I would ask you, what are you using to style components? Yeah,
Wait, what was the question? FLAPS?
you are using style components, but did you add some library to the filter, to that filter input?
Oh, that filtering. Oh yeah, I think I use. Let me see filter. Yeah, I think I use Tailwind UI. So I use a combination of Tailwind UI and style components, and I have no idea what is what. it's
Yeah,
like it's pretty messy. But it's fast. Like Tailwind UI is like it's like um,
yeah, I
it's
know it.
yeah,
Super.
the fact that you can just like go to the components and like go to whichever a search or something like that, and it even has like get the code in React. It's like, oh gosh, okay, yeah, you had me at React.
Yeah,
And you had me at copy paste, like that's me.
yeah. Okay. So yeah, and I think that maybe the component that you are using there
Yeah.
probably is that, and one solution would be searching this component on the GitHub issues maybe, or even issues with that component
Okay.
on iPhone. Do you know if the problem it is with Android too, or just
Oh,
iPhone?
you're talking about the search, right? Oh, okay. So that's what you like debugging. I don't know if it's actually happening. Does anyone here has an Android? Just in case. Like, do you have an Android? I know Sweet doesn't have, but what about like Jingles, Love the Game, V Falcon? Because then maybe they can test. But I know it only happens for some iPhones. I don't know really why.
Mm,
So it's only some
okay.
people where it happens, and some it doesn't happen on the phone. Um, it's really really strange, and yeah, yeah, a tablet. I wonder if that counts. I guess I'll ask. Um, yeah, I'll ask V Falcon if he can try and test it out. Um, will you try and use the search on your tablet if you got time and see if it allows you to type anything? Mm, yeah, but let's assume that it only happens on iPhone. Okay, maybe you shouldn't assume that.
Okay. And like, can you show me the component
Hmm.
on the code? This one, just
So
to.
this happened to every input component. So
Oh, okay. It's in
yeah, yeah,
every.
yeah.
Okay.
It actually doesn't matter which one you choose, as long as you have, we can go to change nickname model, and we can go to, you just find a state, which is like a set nickname, right? That's the state, and then if you see how we set the nickname, we basically just say set nickname e target dot value.
Yeah.
And,
Okay.
and and that's quite normal, right? Like it shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah. I don't think that this should be a problem.
yeah,
So if any on the marketplace is not live yet, right? But
it's kind of
do
live.
I,
It's actually it is live. Um,
oh, it is okay.
yeah, because
If I do on this page, I can interact. Oh, okay, yeah. It is the input. So can you open the input to me, like the one that you are using, like on code?
okay, yeah. So I'll open that. Change nickname. Let's see this one. Here. Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah on Mac, right? It like or desktop it works fine. No issues. Um,
Mm, the component is
oh yeah, the thing is, I think I kind of know what it is. What happens is it allows me to type once, and then it doesn't
yeah.
allow me to do anything. It basically just kind of freezes there. And I think it has something to do with use state, like the way that it re-renders, right? It just like freezes the re-rendering somehow.
Mm,
Because when
yeah,
it's
but I'm
yeah,
testing here, and if we click on the input,
yeah.
like it is strange, it is buggy
Hmm.
without typing anything.
Oh, are you talking about the marketplace?
No, no, I'm talking about on my iPhone. I'm testing here
Okay, okay,
some input there, like
yeah,
any input. As you told me, I just click inside on the input,
yeah.
so it is like it is focused, and yeah, like I have like the keyboard, the
Hmm.
iPhone keyboard, it is open, but it is buggy.
Yeah,
If I touch some letter, it is not appearing and it's buggy.
yeah.
So I think that definitely the problem is in the input, but I don't know which one here in the code it is the input. Funk on line 209.
Um,
You are using funk input.
Let me
What is
see.
that?
Yeah, so func arc input is like a style component, which is basically just an input that has been styled. So it's like in
Okay.
on line 29, you can see func arc input. And well, what does it? Yeah,
Okay.
it's basically just styling. I could replace that to input, right? And then I don't think it should change anything. I haven't tried though. I just expect
Yeah.
that it shouldn't change.
And this transition here, headless UI. Okay. Uh,
Yeah, that's something to do with the pop-up. That's the pop-up part in
oh, okay,
here.
okay, okay, okay.
The bug is that you won't be able to type. Are you able to type in the basic beast search bar on Android? Hmm. Yeah. And then the question is like, does it allow to type more than one character?
Okay, yeah, it's working.
Yeah. So for Android, it's working, and for my
Mhm.
iPhone, and I guess for your iPhone as well, if it's not.
Yeah. So if you open the search bar mobile file, mm,
But yeah, like, so how do we iPhone input uh, input use state doesn't work. Or change handler is not working. Hmm. I found out what the problem was. I had a CSS reset. The CSS, which resets the CSS in every browser. Um,
mhm.
so if you have,
Yeah, this maybe could work, just put CSS global file.
okay, is this it? So you think this might solve it, or what? Or what? Wait.
Yeah, maybe.
No,
Yeah.
no, no. But
Listen.
well, it's the problem is that he had this, and then it,
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
yeah.
I see.
Uh, but I think I
Uh,
have this as well actually in the code, like user select none, right? Like, because sometimes I don't want them to. Maybe it's because of. Oh, so it's because of this maybe.
yeah,
Oh, how about
maybe.
that? Oh my god, is that really it? How do I check this? How do I check this? Global CSS. Nice. Stuff. Fix. Search bar. And any input field. That might actually do it. Let's see. So yeah, now I just need like everything to build. But FL Labs, you had the problem, right? Like on
Yeah,
iPhone. Okay, good, good.
yeah,
This
you can push. I can test it.
yeah. Let's see if this deploys. We just need to build on every single build that a project I have, which is basically just basic beast, but also the testnet side,
Mhm.
and I don't want to pay for like concurrent builds because it's a bear market. I'm kidding. Good. Yeah.
Okay, you have like this is like a staging link. Yeah,
Hmm?
this is like a staging environment or no?
No, it's also no. It's actually the live side also, but also have staging
Oh,
like
okay,
kind of staging environments. Um, it also sets that up for you. Let's
okay.
let's cross our fingers. Oh my god, that would be amazing if that it's just that and it works.
Yeah, it should be. Uh,
But it's not done building yet. So just in a bit you can refresh and yeah, see if it works for you. I guess I'll have to try as well. But I just want to
Man,
hear. I just want you to try first, because then right
okay,
now I have my phone set up with my laptop, and
okay, and why did you put this field there? Do you remember?
like this one.
Yeah.
Um, it looks like I have no idea. Like a friend did it, like when he was helping me with some backend stuff for 15 months ago.
Oh, okay.
That was like that was like the I think basic beast was like 1 month old. Oh, the build failed. What happened?
What?
Treasure hunt? Something? Wait, what? Balance slice is not a function in treasure hunt. What is happening now? Hmm. Why does it complain in that? The treasure hunt. If you see claim. Usually what? I haven't done anything there. That's so strange. What's wrong? Treasure hunt. Balance slice is not a function. Okay. Um, so, hmm. I have no idea why it's like complaining about this now.
Did you change it?
Not
Did you
as
change
far as
something
I
there?
remember. No, I haven't changed this at all. So why would it suddenly complain now? That's strange. It's something regarding the translation, but I'm not even like really translating this. It's just reading and saying balance slice.
Yeah,
Uh,
you are getting low on this field,
mm,
so because it is an optional there, and you are getting new, so this is like why it's broken.
okay, so I'll just say like if balance is not null, then do this.
Yeah, it should work.
Yeah, I was saying like maybe do it a little bit better and even say 0. That's really strange. Yeah. Well, I'll try to push that now. We'll try one more time. It's it's in queue. Oh, hey, generous kid. Oh yeah, like thanks V Falcon and Windows for testing. Oof. Cool. Agenda breeding. What else?
Yeah,
While
this
we
is
wait for
important.
this, do you have any recommendation for this? Like when you go to the product page, right? It needs to fetch like it actually fetches all the data, all the whole marketplace, because I don't have a database,
Okay.
right? but you
Yeah.
see, it takes some time. Like, do you have any recommendation, like packages that can, like, like that I could use somehow while it's like loading and fetching, or like some, I don't know, like
As a spinner or
oh, spin. Oh, I hate spinners.
okay. Um, I think your the library Tailwind should have that components that it is like what the social media. Oh, broke it again.
Yeah, it's the thing that Trisha Hunt balanced slide at if you Steam model. Wait, what? Ba- How many does slides to have? I only have one here. Um, wait, what? Whoa. But why does this complain? It usually doesn't complain at all. Um, but it's because it has like it's the wrong type or something like that. Gosh, what about not slicing at all? Like, because people don't use this
Yeah.
anymore. It's not even like an important component because the treasure hunt like is at its final phase, which is like opening the chest soon. When
Oh, okay.
I've made that feature, I just need to finish all this. Yeah, treasure hunt was so hard. I just started it out of nowhere, and I had to like spend like 2 weeks of building code and like a marketplace. Like think about that,
Wow.
like building a marketplace and like all those like float conversion and I don't know, like
Yeah.
yeah, and that was
Yeah.
my first time building a marketplace. Um,
Oh, this looks nice.
oh, you have not seen this before?
No.
Oh, then you should see the real side. Like in the real side, it's like much like nicer. People just like basically list the treasure chest that they got for free and turned into like real
Okay.
NFT, like from flow to like a custom NFT contract. And now they're just listing them, and you have to like find the floor, right? Like and if you open the chest, like there's like a bunch of rewards, and you might be really lucky or something like that. Um, but yeah, um,
Okay. And
and
someone tried to hack it?
well, oh, well, no, no, there was just like some minor vulnerability, but I fixed that. The funny thing is, the vulnerability is because I copy pasted some other project code that wasn't double labs, and they hadn't
Okay.
audited rel, I guess, and they had copied from another project that also hadn't like done it
Yeah.
correctly, and it's just like
Yeah.
then we had like just like a bunch of NFT marketplaces on Flow that were like vulnerable to a very kind of sophisticated attack, but it could actually like scam like still at least like I think $200 per marketplace, something like that. It's not too crazy.
Okay.
The Matrix market vulnerability, that was nuts. That was like
Yeah.
that was 100,000 flow tokens that could just be taken, and like FUSD and
Yeah.
stuff like that. It was like, gosh, yeah,
It's crazy, right? And a small thing that that they missed and would like break a lot of people.
yeah.
That's crazy.
It was like, oh god. And the worst part was, you were in order to use Matrix market, they just prompt you immediately to do the transaction. Like, so you were forced to make your wallet vulnerable to an attack, because otherwise you weren't allowed to use the Matrix market like to do anything.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
it
okay.
was super annoying.
Yeah.
So even better.
That's great.
uh,
That's crazy.
yeah. Oh yeah. So wait, did I? Okay. So what do they say? Third time is the charm. Um, it better be. Wait, I think it worked. Wait, is this ready? That means that it worked, right? Or yeah, I think it worked. Um, so
Okay.
so
It's live.
will you try? FLabs, and then I'll try if it works for you.
Yeah. Okay, so basically this.io, right? Yeah, it's working.
Mm.
Yeah.
Nice, 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 nice.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, be right back. I'll borrow a phone just to test. Just
Okay. Yeah, man, no, but it's working perfect. Yeah, that's it.
okay. Let me see. Oh, this is so nice because I was so annoyed. Like this has been a problem for actually months, but I was like, okay, I'll fix it one day. But then I had to test the marketplace on phone, and I was like, it's impossible to use the marketplace, on the phone if you can't type anything because you need to search. Um, so yeah, it works. Oh gosh, you're a genius, FL Labs. Oh, by the way, FL Labs, you're muted. I don't know if you're like gone or something like that. Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, welcome back. Yeah, I just said that. Yeah, it's working for me as well, and you're a genius.
Okay.
So
No, I don't. I didn't anything. So yeah, man, you got it. This too. Um, I'm looking for a component. Man, I forgot the name, but uh, like when you are in, I think Facebook was the first one to do it. That when you jump it on Facebook,
yeah.
you didn't see a image, but you see like
Oh,
a
yeah, the
gray
gray
image, you
thing.
know?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
actually have
that
no idea how that works, but I've seen it
yeah,
before. I wonder.
that's a
Yeah.
it is a component, you know, that these libraries have it. I don't know if Taiwan but has it, but probably should have it, you know. And
Yeah.
yeah, I'm looking the name
It's a very
of it.
I think it's very very popular. I think DoorDash maybe use it as well. Um,
That's
yeah.
kind of blur, you know.
Yeah, here it is. Like, see?
Yeah, exactly
Yeah.
that. This would be a solution, right?
Yeah, we like that could be a solution for me. Like, I would be comfortable with that. It's definitely better than like a spinner or something like that.
Yeah,
Because a spinner really just shows that, oh, they don't know what they're doing or something like that. Like, it's so slow. Oh my god, I hate these people who made this website.
yeah, yeah. You keep like looking to it, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's
Infinite
it.
loading.
Um,
Okay, so
but I can't remember what it was called. I actually have a friend.
okay,
Yeah.
I found a nice one. Look at this. Hold on,
Hmm.
hold on, just one
Yeah.
second. Look at this one that I sent in the chat.
Okay, they call it Till When You Blur. Um,
Hmm, maybe. No, this is not a blur while it's loading. No, sorry.
yeah.
Yeah, I thought that was a blur while it's loading.
I need to make these two. Let's see. Choose. Nice. And then X pack. And then we're almost there. We're almost there at only like the last thing, which is like, how do I make the script scalable? And I think that's something you maybe need. I don't know. I'm not sure.
What?
Like after this one, like I had another question, which was like, how could you make the script scalable, right? Like, let's say that we have not 600 bees that we need to load, but we need to load like, I don't know, 100,000, like, and we don't really know the limit for sure, but we are probably breaking the limit at 100,000. So we probably
Okay.
need to like do 10 scripts or something like that, right? But we can't hard code that. We need to make. Yeah, I was just wondering, like, if you like, what you have thought about that problem, like for your own marketplace, like how you're going to like cut them open into like multiple scripts and then join them together.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, man. I think that just testing, which it is the limit, and then once you know the limit, you would like keep like getting out always in a script the limit, because all the beasts will be in different wallets, right?
Yeah, each beast are in different wallets, and the way I do it right now, the way I fetch it is that I go to, let's say, beast market hook. So basically get all the, oh, this is not, yeah, so get all beasts. So the way I do that, let's see, I'm basically I'm using the hunter score, and I see, okay, everyone who has a hunter score, they usually have a beast unless they have like transferred it somehow outside of the ecosystem. But if they have
Okay.
done that, it's like, okay, well, we can't see your beast then, unless you
Yeah.
put it on sale. But anyways, so we get those beasts, and we look at each address, and then we get those beasts like that. The issue is then, well, what happens when we have a lot of beasts? Like we have, or actually, there can only be 62,000 beasts, but
Yeah, but this could break me.
yeah, it could still
Storage
break.
limit.
Yeah, I think around 5,000, 10,000. I have a hunch that would be around the limit, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
Um, so
So
yeah,
do you use the CLI in your testing sometime or
no,
no?
no,
Okay. Yeah, because I like to use it to test. And like you have CLI in your machine, right?
right,
Solid.
yeah,
Yeah. So yeah, create a new file there that you can call it like test.cdc,
yeah.
and let's try to find a solution. So I will create it, okay?
Okay, just let me
Hold
get
on.
some water. I'll be back.
Okay.
I'm back.
Okay. So, do you have the cadence extension in your machine?
Yes, I do.
Oh, okay, because I don't know why, but I made this file test.cdc, and for me it's everything's white. But yeah, I can see on your
Oh,
screen
that's
that.
because we use live share. So for you, like,
Oh, okay,
yeah, it doesn't. It's not
okay,
supported like that. Yeah.
okay. So can you get to me the hunter score address and the basic beast address
Oh.
and paste there?
Wait. Is. Oh wait, just a moment. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're asking, can I get the basic beast and um, yeah, I think it can. I'm not 100% sure if it can, but or do you just want me to? I could also just hardcode the address.
Yeah, exactly. This is what I
Oh,
meant.
okay. Oh, that's what you mean.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Do you want a mainnet or testnet?
Uh, I don't know.
Hmm.
It's up to you.
Okay, let's use the testnet just so.
Okay.
Um, okay, like this. Done.
Okay. So normally when I'm testing on, I always like type the script, as with a comment,
Yeah.
and open my terminal and call
Oh, cool.
this command
Okay.
to test it. So yeah, you can just paste there and let's check.
Whoa.
Okay, there you go. So this is the response.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, we have a quick way to test. Mm, so yeah, it's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it's actually funny you mentioned. Did you watch the first Flow open house like this week?
Yeah, I watched it like a little.
Sorry.
Oh, I watched it just a little bit because I had a meeting.
Oh, okay, yeah. Because
Yeah,
during that time, I actually like I made a presentation where I talked about that most developers um, they basically use the terminal to do testing, right?
yeah.
Yeah, and that doesn't work for basic beast because we have so many contracts. Like it's like
Oh, okay.
yeah, we have so much data. It's like yeah, we can't do that.
Yeah, it's too much, right?
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, I mean, like I'm finding this the beginning of all this data, but my idea was to put a limit on this array,
Mm.
and for example, while let index equal 0, while index 100, we will call all this. I think that this is correct. And right here we index, oh shit, it's equal to index plus 1. I don't know. I put this in the right place or not. Can you see it?
So while index, oh yeah, because you can see the highlighting. I think you did. That's right.
Okay, so yeah, try to first of all clean your
Sorry.
first of all clean your terminal.
How do
Just
how do I declare it again? What's the
it's clear.
oh okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
there you go. Yeah, and call again.
Okay, so it says
So,
index.
oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry.
no
Yeah,
problem,
there you
no
go.
problem. There we go. So clear again, and then boom, boom, boom. Did you do an infinite loop? No, wait. Oh, is it? Why is it so? What is happening?
Maybe. Yeah, I think was infinite loop.
Yeah. Uh, why did that
I
happen?
don't know why.
So while index is less than 100, do all these. Oh, okay, because you are. Whoa, okay. Well, because then 100 times you're like you're duplicating all this 100 times, right? So that's like 600 beasts, 100 times. That's like 60,000, and they have all this
Oh,
data.
okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So
maybe if you kept this to, let's say, like, start with two, do it twice instead, right? Wouldn't it work then?
no, I don't think so. I think
Yeah,
that
it works.
we
It
need.
works. It works.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
but got a lot right.
yeah.
Most than before, right? I think that the index should be here, maybe side of the floor.
Um,
I don't know, man. Let me try to understand your for. So you are querying all the address and if collection. Okay. While okay.
let me help you
Okay.
indent this a little.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks. So let's say that right here you are adding a beast, right? So yeah, try now.
Okay.
Let's try it.
Yeah. Uh,
Okay, so these are just two beasts.
um, no, no, because uh, no, this is not two beasts. Um, clearly, it's I don't know how many this is, but like essentially, like what you're still doing is that you're querying all the addresses, which is around. I think there's only like 16 addresses on Testnet, right? With underscore or like 20, and
Okay.
then you check the collection, and one person has like, let's say 100 beasts, and then you are incrementing. Uh,
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
like
Yeah, we still inside of the loop.
yeah, and you basically, well, it doesn't really, yeah, it doesn't really matter how many. You only do this once, because since you're doing this, since the index like is going to surpass number two quite
Yeah,
fast, you're
yeah.
only doing it once, anyways.
I see it.
Yeah.
So
But you did it right
we
before, like in case if you wanted to duplicate how many, or I don't know, should we
no,
leave it?
my idea it is like just two beasts, on this script. Just the two first, like okay, he will loop like on the first address and bring me the first two beasts only, and then it will stop.
Yeah. Okay. So you just want us to bring two beasts. I see.
Yeah.
So well, then you need to say while index I is like less than two, I think. But that only happens like then you get two beasts per account. Is that fine or like in line
No,
18? Or you
because
want exactly two beasts?
yeah, I want exactly this like, and if the first wallet, okay, loop just in the first wallet, but if the first wallet has one, he will loop, he will get the first wallet, and then he will jump to the second, and if the second has any, okay, he will jump to the third, and in the third he will get the second, okay, then we stop the,
Okay.
like,
I see.
you see.
Okay. So if you want to do that, well, then we have to say while okay, so while this and index is like less than 2, right? And then inside that you append. So this should do, I think. This should do. So I changed it a
Okay,
little bit.
and we can remove the first while, I think.
Um, yeah, the first while it doesn't really matter. Like we can remove that. I'll, uh, have I? Am I removing it correctly? Oops,
Yeah,
too
I think
much.
so.
There we go. But yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So now we have two beasts, as you see. We have uh, Dabby, and we have something else. Another Dabby, I guess. Two
Okay.
Dabbies.
So why I'm with this mindset? So we can have like this filter. If you scroll a little bit up on the code, that will be the limit. So later we will find that you can bring just 1,000 bits per transaction. So you could use this limit
Okay.
to get like the maximum bits inside of the transaction, you know.
Yeah.
Uh, but so yeah, like right now you can select how many bits you will bring. Now you need to like do something like a pagination, you know, where and this is like the hard part, I think, where okay, I'm getting like I'm getting the first 10 bits.
Mm.
Okay, now I want to bring the next 10 to between 10 and 20. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Ah. So that's how you. Okay. Oh, that's like some smart code. Like that's a little bit complicated. Huh. Yeah, that makes sense. Um,
Yeah, it is like what I'm
yeah,
thinking that could be a solution.
and we received that information through the script parameter, like an argument. Um,
Yeah, exactly.
yeah. Okay. Ah, it's good this is recorded. Then I can like look back into this. I'm definitely not going to make it today. I was just like like because
Yeah,
I'm way too tired for that. Like to make that kind of code that's new. Uh,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. But yeah, this could be a solution. I just need to think here with these addresses
Yeah.
how to do it. But yeah, maybe you need to change here
Mm,
to a regular for
yeah.
where you get the indexes.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know. Yeah.
But it's definitely like yeah we're moving towards like the right direction I think. Um, yeah, it's definitely something that could work. And then I just need to like find like how do you join to like an array? Is it
Yeah,
just join or
you get in the front end the first one, and then you get the second one, you know, in the front end and join them.
uh, can you here this code can you like comment it like how do you join like let's say you have an array A and array B like how do you join those two like with objects right these are objects.
So let's new array. It's equal to everything that it is inside A, everything inside B.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you.
Yeah, this
Uh,
should work.
yeah, so remember again, I copy paste code. I don't code. Like I don't know. Oh, but
Yeah, like you could. I think that you could do a push too. You know, let's say
oh,
that you have the
oh
A
yeah.
dot push,
Really, you can push
and
a whole up. Okay,
you can
nice.
push the B there. I think so, but yeah, this should works. I yeah,
Yeah,
concat concat on cadence. Yeah, white uh, white Falcon. Yeah, but here we are thinking JavaScript, right?
yeah. You
So
don't have to say sorry, Falcon. It's okay. Good. It's just because you wrote it. Sorry, but like it's all right, man. Like I wouldn't know myself. Uh,
Oh, okay.
yeah. Join
Yeah, I
team.
mean, we have this mindset in cadence, right? Like, if you when we are able to be like awesome,
Yeah.
but we are not there yet. Um,
Oh gosh.
so
Well,
yeah, this should work, man.
hmm. I hope cadence that they increase the limit so I don't need to do this ever.
Yeah, man. So Andrea said that if creator think that you can get it, you know.
That's good. Like I actually hope that I'm going to cross my like fingers, but otherwise I know that I can look back to this video and like okay, this is where I get started, and then like I need to
Yeah,
pull this out because like our marketplace is down.
yeah. But man, like you can text me when you are trying to solve it, and I can help you.
Thanks,
You know,
Nicholas.
just let me know.
You're the
Yeah,
best
definitely,
man.
man.
Nice. Um, yeah, this one with loading. Yeah, this is fine. I do have a friend who works with it. I was just wondering, like, because it's crewing and then it has to wait. Yeah, it's fine. I was just regarding this with the product details. I was just curious if you already knew about that. You know, like this type of that type of like loading.
Yeah, man. Like it is a component. That solution that I said to you,
Yeah.
it is a component, but let me try to find the name.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, I found the name, I think. Let me see. Okay, I found it. Check this.
Oh, Flowbyte. Oh, still Tailwind. Oh, what? Okay, so it shows like that.
Yeah, I think this one could be a nice
Okay, so yeah,
solution.
yeah, yeah, exactly. Uh, I'm just wondering how do I. Oh, so I call this while it's loading. Okay, so I need to learn how to use the reducers that I have in the code. I think I don't know.
Oh, you have reducer drive?
Yeah, I just don't know what it is honestly, but I just see that it has loading. Yeah,
Yeah, the reducer it is like a function on React that it is a hook, right? I
yeah,
think it is the right word. And you have some functions inside of it,
yeah.
and one of them it is loading. You are using the use reducer, right?
Yeah, I'm using the use reducer. Or I actually just copied the code. I'm not really using it.
Okay.
Yeah, I just have it in the hook. Uh, yeah, so I need to dispatch processing because then I can like know that I'm loading, right? And then when it's done, I'll dispatch success or dispatch error, um, right?
Yeah.
So I just need to do that, and I just have to give out the loading uh, somehow, uh, like the state, I guess. Um, Actually, I guess I could use you know how to use the use reducer.
So you are getting the state in dispatch, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So hold on. I'm searching it because I'm not super experienced with reducer
Okay.
too.
Okay. I was just wondering. Let's see. So get all beasts. I think we have to, and then blah blah blah, and set and dispatch. Okay. So we need to do that first. So first we need to copy paste some old code, and then reuse that code here, and then use dispatch to say. But this one has a payload though. But yeah, I guess we'll just ignore that. Just ignore the payload. Um, and then we copy
Okay.
paste this, I think, and then we say, because now when we have the state, I think here, let's see. So in my user provider, where I just put everything, even though it shouldn't be in the user provider, um, I need to get the data from this, and the data I call from the beast market. I should just call it something. Call it data beast beast market stuff, um, and then I'll provide that, and then somehow, but they provide loading here. Loading beast. Wait, where am I getting this loading? Loading beast. How did that? How does that work? Loading beast. No, beast reducer. Okay, it's because it's called. Okay, that's why. I see. Okay. So I need to provide something like that. So I need to make a. Hmm.
You have the
I think I can. I think I know what to do. I just need to give it somehow because I'm using defaults, I need to use beast and then okay, beast details. So probably if I'm guessing, I need to say loading and I need to say use beast market because then I should get a loader and then if it's loading, right, like loading
Yeah.
show div, just testing like um, loading, stay calm, um, something like that. Let's try this. Yeah, loading, stay calm. Oh, that worked. Okay, so that's good. Now I know
Okay.
when it's loading, right? Because then I can add. The great thing is like every time it loads, it shows this, and it disappears
Oh,
when it's
okay.
done, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, man, this would be super nice, like to have that there.
Yeah, yeah. So and then yeah, okay, cool. Oh, but I need to install this or what? Flowbyte?
Uh, yeah, I don't know
Hmm. Or
because
is it part of Tailwind? Because this is class. Skeletons. Tailwind UI skeleton. Is this Flowbyte? Use skeleton component. Uh, how to create Tailwind CSS. Okay, I think that.
yeah, I think that it is basic.
But they use.
Oh, this one was created with Tywin. Perfect.
But they say they use something called animate pulse. I don't see it here. Oh, they use it here. Okay, so Tailwind has something called animate pulse. Okay,
Yeah,
so
there you go.
oh, nice, nice. So I just need to make a placeholder skeleton component. Okay, I get it. I get it.
Yeah.
I can do that. Uh, yeah, yeah. Let's do that. Cool. Now I know. Thank you, FLabs. I don't want to waste your time like
Yeah,
looking at that part, but yeah.
no problem at all, man. Now take some rest, because you have a lot to do by tomorrow, right?
Yeah, yeah. Tomorrow, yeah, I'm going to work even more tomorrow. Like, just so like my list is like, yeah, marketplace breeding, a lot of design work, also research work, fixes, stuff like that. Oof, it's gonna be a fun weekend. Well, what about you? What are you going to do
Yeah,
in the weekend?
yeah, I am the same one. Tomorrow I'll keep working, but Sunday party. So yeah,
Ooh, nice.
yeah, we need to party too, right? Man,
Yeah.
sometime.
Well, if you ever come to Denmark, just hit me up, man. Just DM me. Like, I even have like a spare room in case you need one.
You have what?
Hmm. I even have a spare room like that you can just like come over. So no need for a hotel if in case you need to if you want to go to Denmark, uh, and then we
Okay,
party.
okay, yeah. All right, man. Let's. But let me know when you try to find a solution to the script, and yeah, I will be there too.
Yeah, thank you. I really appreciate that. Right now, I am just going to cross my fingers that by the time the marketplace has grown to enough beast that would break the marketplace, I just hope that the access nodes like have become super strong and like they can
Yeah,
handle much more. Uh,
yeah, but yeah, don't count it. Yeah, I mean, like, but on testnet, you didn't deploy all this that
uh,
will be possible on it.
um, wait, sorry, one more time.
You didn't deploy on testnet all the max supply beasts that will be possible on mainnet. Like, why you don't like just keep deploying new beasts on testnet to try like the
Oh,
limit?
try the limit Oh, because
Yeah,
that's a good question. Oh, that's because in order to do pack distribution, I think I can do 100 at a time. I have a limit there because
yeah,
when I mint packs and prepare packs and all that stuff, like it takes a lot of
yeah,
like transaction, like yeah, I reached limit there. And since I don't have a backend or like I don't set up anything on the front end where I can just like key rotate everything, um, I
man.
really
I have a function that does this, and if you want, sometime we can play around with it.
mm,
Like I made a JavaScript code
yeah.
that keep looping, and I set a limit. Let's say that, okay, I want to mint 200 NFTs per
Yeah.
transactions, and I want to mint 10,000 NFTs. So yeah, I just type, just play the button, and like
Oh,
the code will keep calling when once one transaction is finished, the code call the next one,
okay.
and keep doing all these automatic.
Yeah. So the thing is, the reason I don't do it like that is because I was afraid that if I screw up, right, I might like I don't know, somehow accidentally mint too much or like the wrong addresses,
Yeah,
everything. So that's why I was really really careful because you know yeah yeah I didn't want
but
to
from
mess it up.
testnet you can do it, right? Or no?
Yeah, on testnet I can do that without any problems, right? So you're right about that. We could play around.
Yeah, just to test the limits and see if like you have some problems soon.
Yeah, for sure. Nice. Oh,
Yeah,
whew, that's a nice day. I feel so accomplished. 12 hours of work and getting this done.
yeah, but it's fun.
Yeah, it's fun when you're hanging with friends. So
Yeah,
if I coded like at that time alone, Basic Beast, God, that was like the most boring thing ever.
yeah, yeah, man. I'm sure that when you are live, probably the time that you are doing like best, right?
When I'm sorry.
When you are live, like
Yeah.
I'm
Like
sure that.
yeah, I really enjoy like coding because it's just like yeah, it gives me energy because I'm extroverted, so like I need it.
Yeah, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I think I'll. It's cool to watch you coding together. Yeah, thank you, Ralph Falcon. But it's all on like
Thanks.
FL Labs. Like he's the one
Yeah,
that
thanks.
are just like messing around.
Oh, sorry, my wife here just arrived. But thanks, White Falcon. White Falcon, yeah. Why are you calling him White Falcon if
Well,
he's
he's
a
called White.
W?
Well, I noticed somewhere that the W is like meant to be white,
Oh,
so
okay.
that's why I call him White Falcon. Um, so I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's the W, what it stands for. So, yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, White Falcon. Dot fine. So that's why I knew that. Yeah, it's not
Yeah.
W Falcon. It's White Falcon.
Okay, makes sense. Sorry.
No, W. Well, that's his username. So
All right, guys. So yeah, I'll jump now, but yeah, let's schedule the next one.
yeah, thanks, FL Labs. Enjoy your weekend and enjoy your party.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Enjoy it. We are into. Thanks, everyone, and yeah, until the next one. Bye bye.
See ya.
See you.
Oh, so yeah, I'm calling this like I'm not gonna work anymore. Anyone who wanna play Land IO with me? Otherwise, I'm just gonna risk my mind for a bit. Uh, feel free to join. You just have to click on that thingy, I think. I hope you guys can join. About to start driving again. Yeah, fair. Yeah, please don't use your phone while driving. Yeah. Okay, let's get these guys. Okay, so space is how to. Hmm. Ooh, I can. No, I can't eat him. Oh, what is he doing here? Nice. Go away. Oh, damn. No. Come on. No, why are they eating me? Why? Oh, I need. Oh, they're killing me. I need to kill someone. Only have 3%. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes! Got him. Got him. Got him. So 18. Let's go. Bye. Oh, nice. Thank you. Oh, nice. I'm winning now. Bye. Winning. It's all about patience. Oh, I'm not dying. Oh, this is a good one. He knows what's up. Yeah, he knows what's up. Okay, I'll focus on something else. God, they're eating me, these guys. So annoying. Okay. Stop fighting. Stop eating me. God, they're eating me. I'm losing now. No. I need a kill. I need to. No. Gosh. No. And then I lost. Well, I lost the game. Is there anyone else playing? I don't even know. Is there any better game that one could play? See all YouTube, know your meme, Bubble League, Poker Night, Chess in the Park, Shakers in the Park. Maybe we should make a Discord game. Why is it so loud? Okay. Oh, I guess no more games. Oh. Anyways, I'm going to get some rest. Thanks guys for joining. I'll make the float actually. Hero has joined. Do we have his wallet? Identify. Hero, do you have floats? Yeah, you have floats, nice. Awesome. Hero. Jingles. Does he have floats? Yeah, Everlabs has floats. Intensify. Jingles. Canva. How many are we? We are 8 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do I do? Oh, number 8, really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, and 1 in the middle. Okay, yeah. Wait, what? And place 1 in the middle. No, but what? Wait.
Like use number 8, delete 1 on top and put like 1 in the middle.
Delete 1 on the top. Yeah, I guess I.
Because you need 8, right?
Yeah, I need 8. But deleting 1 on the top looks weird. Then it's like misaligned.
No, then you put one of them in the middle.
Oh, yeah, I guess. Yeah, okay. I see. Yeah. Yeah, thanks, Pete. I'll do that. That's why you are designing.
Just a suggestion. You can find one that has 8.
Oh, thank you. Whoa. Yeah, so the thing is, I don't know why I'm not able to search for people's messages anymore on Discord. Not really sure what happened. But that helped a lot. Thank you, White Falcon. Oh, okay, so it also happens for you. That's so strange. Like, why that is. I'm just going to write a message to Hero. So Hero. Because I'm trying to get his. Oh, gosh. I'm trying to get Hero's profile picture. But I'm almost there. I almost got it. Oh, thank you, Jingles. Thanks. I think I owe Jingles quite a lot of floats, actually. I need to find all those times. Cool, copy image. So delete 1 and, oh wait. But the thing is that, yeah, really blue is technically here. Oh. Like, yeah. Okay, so actually I don't need to. But it was still a nice, good to know. In case learning. So I'll add them like this. Hopefully this works. So I just need to copy image, replace with this one. We had jingles. We have, who did we have today? Labs. Like really, Labs is a pretty good programmer. It's really nice. And then we call this session 14. 14. So are we all, everyone? 1, 2, 3, 4. We should be 9 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. So it looks right. Cool. Share, download, transparent background. We are going to make a float. And then we call it edit for today. Because I'm tired. Oh, of course you guys can hang as much as you want. So people who attended, Raven, yes, White Falcon jingles, Hero, Willy, Blue, Labs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's Love the Game also. Which is Will. Yeah, I noticed. Yeah, I removed her. Thank you. It's good that you still like let me know in case. Boom, boom. I'm getting used to this. Oh, that's something else though. God, it's funny how buggy it can be. Livecoding number 14. Do. Looks good to me. Looks good. Looks good. Oops, that's not the file. So let's see if I did this right. So oh, that's a risky move. Okay, I have to change this order. don't have floats. Yeah, he has floats. Good. Let's try this one more time. Um, 1 0 1 2 3 4. Cool. An award. Wait, that's mine. Then coding. And then publish. So what did we accomplish? We accomplished a bunch of things. Debugging, sorting. Use ChatGPT. Cancel. Fixed. Show input. Possible to iPhone. What else did we do? Scripts, scalable scripts. Skeleton. Script. Awesome. This is pretty good stuff. I'll stream.